Hi everybody, Bradley here. Just giving you a quick room tour of 2113 here at Majestic Elegance. Starting with the half bath right here. You got a toilet and sink and amenities. Now coming into the main room, you've got a table, couch, coffee table, and a little bar over there, and mini bar or mini fridge. I picked up these snacks at the Elegance Club. We've got coffee cups for the coffee machine. I've got I believe that's a 50-inch television. And here's a look at the refrigerator. I had them stock it up with Diet Cokes and water. Outside, we've got the jacuzzi tub. They upgraded me from the junior suite to the full suite 1-bedroom apartment or room. Step out to the balcony. You got both hot and cold water here. Nice garden view. No ocean view, but you got a little day bed and 2 chairs there. And pretty nice view. Beautiful sunset with the clouds tonight. And you got the swimming pools down below. I'm on the first floor. And that's a quick look at the outside. Oh, they give you that beach bag. Was complimentary on the bed when I came in. Got a nice king size bed, chair, stand, another 50-inch TV for the bedroom. And going into the bathroom, got a full size bathtub. No jacuzzi jets in this bathtub at this resort. You got 2 sides of a closet, plenty of hangers. You got me. There's a full-size Bradley in the room, and then this is the toilet on the side, and a rain shower here. And that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick glimpse into the full-size suite here at Majestic Elegance, adults only side Elegance Club room. Let's see you next time.